Welcome to Age of Civilization. This was a Kickstarter from several years ago, and I'm going to rediscover it. I haven't ever played it. Well, once I set it up. In Age of Civilization, you lead your people to their glorious future, analyze the characteristic of each era you are facing, make the best choice for the development of your kingdom, and experience several famous civilizations in the fascinating history of mankind. By going through the rise and fall of empires, your unique civilization will finally arise. And here are some icons. So every known civilization from mankind has been denoted by an icon, and there are also technologies and wonders. They have their own icon. So 96 small cards, including 48 civilization cards. I don't know why there is an exclamation part. It includes a solo variant and 5 scenarios. No, it includes a solo variant with 5 scenarios. So the solo variant is not the Automa game. It is a set of scenarios. It's from Ice Makes. Apparently I have now 2 games from Ice Makes, Isla and Something Shiny and Age of Civilization. 2019. It's made in Taiwan, not China. So first up we see a nice pyramid from ancient times. Here are some Age of Civilization variants and solo AI to compensate for the fact that the game didn't come with a solo variant for normal play. And this is something that I rewrote. I got it from some social media thing, and you will need a die. Okay, let's take a die then. I have lots of dice for my PNP games collection. So, unless indicated otherwise, follow the standard rules for a 2-player game. You play against the bot, you start a game. We'll do that later, because I still need to figure out what the game was about. This is a Khan solo Automa rules, where you remove Mongolia and Great Wall, and you give Khan gold and shields, and technology cubes are used as shields. So their game features technology, and plague event is considered a war event, so there is plague and there is war. And here we have some scoring sheets. There is also how did this work? This is the solo mode from the previous that I cleaned up a little. So you have chieftain, prince, king and emperor. like in Civilization, the video game. Increase difficulty, and this is with the die. Okay, then we have the rulebook, which we are going to briefly gloss over. So it's from Jeffrey TCH, rulebook. It's a prologue, an overview of the components. So there are cards. There's a starter token, 40 coin tokens, gold coin and tokens, technology tokens, worker tokens, star tokens, event tokens. Okay, cool. There is 9 special technology cards, and there's things that are only for the scenario. So here are the key concepts. So you have points, coin, technology, wonder, military strength. It's all icon driven. War, worker, action slots. 1 worker, action slot, 2 workers. You can sacrifice workers apparently. And there's things with effects with a plus. And here is a wonder card of your choice. So there's a wonder market. Okay, cool. You choose a technology by placing a cube, and this is the icon for the cube. So there are blue cubes, and you will score stuff. You pay less coin, and so coin is also the dollar. Every turn ends, game ends, sacrifice. Here it goes into a smaller font. I'm going to follow these steps later. And for your first game, we suggest you to use the following order of action cards to form the icon time track instead of a random order. So you have this is like future track, and this is your current track. And this thing moves, and you can do things from the past or sometimes from the future. At the end of round 6, whoever has the most victory points wins, so that's always six rounds. This promises to be a quick game. You carry out all of the following steps. They are numbered, so you have to rise a civilization for your first turn. You have to take actions or rest, and then you have to resolve your workers. Okay, cool. So rising a civilization is taking one of these cards, and then take actions or rest. Take actions. There are 10 kinds of actions, and 6 of them are normally available. So you have a lot of agency. This is all looking promising. You can do stuff with Wonder Research Exploit, and you can do stuff under it, so like Hunt, Fish, and Farm. So these are the 6 things, and sometimes you can take the other 4. The requirement is in the lower part. Yeah. And the center part shows you the benefit, I think. Then we can rest. Then you rest to gain coins and worker token in case your civilization is gone extinct or something. Resolve your workers. Your turn ends. So let's move your workers back to your area. Okay, cool. Then we have Rise a New Civilization. You can slot them over each other and exit. And here is a list of all the actions. There, this is how the technologies work. So you cannot place on the top things a cube. You have to start from the bottom. And you may prefer culture. Oh, that's this culture thing. Science is for education. Oh, education is the middle thing from the left column. Science is the top thing from the left column. Sailing, mining and engineering and gunpowder. Sailing, mining, engineering and gunpowder. So the right two columns, top and bottom. More than one ability. Okay, then you have civilizations. Details on each civilization. So there is Aksum, Arabia. Yeah. Aztec, Babylon, Britain, Byzantium, Carthage, China, etc. There are variants. And there is a skirmish and a path to glory. So the solo game. There is already a solo game. It's a skirmish game. For page 30, and the scenario guide is for in all the booklets. Okay, then there is something like a variant. That's for the 2 players, I think. Page 30. I wonder. Okay, so this is the official solo game. I didn't know that it existed. So you take out certain cards, 4 wonders, and take the plague out, and you try to get a high score. Okay, that's a nifty little game, if the game is fun to play. So we are at the end of video 1. Achievements. Okay, so you can